Joromi, your old dance step. He passed Joromi. Wetin I dey hear, so I hope say not be true, Davido. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, I want to talk about Davido today. Davido. Davido. Your own pass Joromi, your own dance step. He passed Joromi. Wetin I dey hear, so I hope say not be true, Davido. Davido, which day Shoma born for here that day? Which day Shoma born? Wey be say we don dey hear another rumor now say you don see give one UK girl belle. Davido. Suppose I sabi speak Yoruba for you. Davido. This one wey you just gonna do now pass Joromi. This one wey you just do now pass Joromi, Davido. Like seriously? Davido. This one This one what you do now, it pass Joromi. Davido. Which another girl still get belle for you now, Davido? Wetin make you now come still go give another girl belle now, Davido? After Chioma just born for you, we never say don't born boy for you. Wetin you dey look for again? We come be say you come still go give another girl belle. You can still go give another girl. Davido, you too do this one. You too do this one, oh, Davido. Another girl just born boy for Davido now. Another girl for UK. Just born boy for Davido. Davido, what you dey look for? Which man never give you now? Why you dey do this girl like this? No one you even marry for all the girls. You are gonna do like Two-Face now. Davido. What you dey look for now? What be your problem? Chioma don born for you, marry up till now, you never still marry him. You go still go give this UK girl now. They say now when you go do show for there, now you still go jogodo with that one, belle can still enter. Davido. So you know they use raincoat. As they talk and say sickness full everywhere now. You know they hear am. So you know if you even use raincoat, where be say you can see go give another girl now. Belle. Davido. What be your problem? What you want? Chioma don't give you. What be another thing where you dey look for again now? Where be say you can still go give another girl. You can go let another girl come get belle for you now, Davido. This one what you do now? You too do Chioma. You too do Chioma, or you too do am. What be your problem now? Davido. So Sophia Momo Duabe, I don't know what they call her. That one are your baby mama. The other one, don't forget her name. That your baby. How many you want to give belle? How many, Davido? We be say you can still come make this one now. You too do Chioma. Oh, I just pity for that small girl now. Say how she go dey feel now. Davido, what be your problem, Davido? What be your problem? What do you want? Where those girls never give you? What you want? What Chioma never give you? And now those girls me they evil they blame safe. Una go know say somebody get man. Una go see the truth una head go there because then I'm musician, now star. Because everybody want day with a star. But at least Mona see they look the one una go they enter. Because Davido nana, if they follow Chioma, everybody know how with Chioma. If they use Chioma, they sing. You know the evil they do and hide. Una go still know. Now that one will be say, una know say road no they now una want go. What you come make you now, my sister? Go carry belle now for Davido. What you make you do that thing now? What you make you do that thing now? No be say you don't know trauma. No be say you don't know trauma, you know am. Okay, wetin come make you now come go further victim now? Because you want born for Davido, my sister. Even though Davido tell you say want do both to born, you know if you tell Davido say no, because you want still born put. Wetin be una problem? Wetin una dey look for? Wetin una dey look for? The one wey you dey with no reach you. No. You maybe you will get boyfriend now. No. You Davido one night stand now, belle don't enter. Eh? Una no dey even the reason how trauma go feel. How that small girl go dey feel. Now, never tell when he born. You now don't see born now. And they say na boy. Now this one still born. Ah, I don't want to finish my trauma. Oh, ew. Poor her. Wetin Davido dey look for now? Trauma don born for you. You even follow her the hospital when she born. You everything. The way you don't even care for trauma, everybody traumatized. Wetin come be the problem now? We come make you. We come make this girl now. Come still born for you now. Wetin you dey look for? You get girls, you get boy. Wetin you need now? We come be say another girl come still born for you now. Wetin those girls? I don't understand. Me no understand our guests really. Una go know say somebody get man. Una go see they go there. Una go see they go there. Wetin be una problem? I don't know. Eh? Una go know say somebody get man. No. No. Una wan go chook una head there. Una wan go jogodo am. Because the one way una dey see for that UK there, una no like am. Now another person you na dey enter una eye. Eh? Wetin be una problem really? Like seriously. This Davido now, trauma now. Una no dey able the reason how she go dey feel. Davido, wetin be your problem? You want give trauma heart attack? But wetin you want from that girl really? Because by now, marriage we supposed to they think of, not be another belle for another baby mama again. Ah, Davido, you too do this one. Yoruba go say rara oh. You too do this one, Davido. This one what you just can't do now. Eh? Ah, you shocktalize people again. You shocktalize people. People don't expect this one from you, Davido, at all. Some you just do trauma now. You know the reason how that girl go feel. You know the reason what she go they pass through now. All your own now. You just they give them, they dualize them. You know good now. Eh? If you want marry someone, you marry and maybe we just know. Not be this one where you just they give different guests. Belle so. If you want your marriage someone, just marry her. Maybe we just know say that your wife. Not be the one where be say different guests, different. And the funny part, you know they use raincoat. In your they do like Two-Face when they do bone to bone that year. Before that one can see choose the marry now. You now I can't just people pass the Two-Face now. Your own dance step now don't pass Joromi. Those guys now me they blame Sha. Where be say they just see star, they will be like say, you know what Urobo go see sardine now. The way they take the carry am, the way they eat am. And so una be one and see celebrity. I don't know what una they look for. What if una problem? Young guests of now, this if una just see, even though now go even know say they don't marry. When I go see open una leg, make they enter the Jerusalem. Make they dualize the Jerusalem for una. What if una problem? Really? Like seriously? What if una problem? Eh? Just see what una do now. I just feel for trauma. Now this girl just the feel for because you can imagine what she would pass through now. For una hand. What una don't do this girl? Eh? Ah, Davido now I blame Davido. What you don't do trauma, not be small thing. Trauma. You self, me I don't understand you. This Davido, if they waste your time, make yourself just see carry your tire go one corner, eh? Because me not gonna know this one will be say Davido they do now. I'm not gonna call this one love again because if he love you, you're not supposed to go do dualize another woman. And you know they use raincoat. You know they use. Which Shoma, if picking how many months Shoma picking go there now? We don't go give another girl Belle now. Eh? Who you don't go give another girl belle? How many months now? Choma pikin dey. The video one year. Take am easy, eh? Take am easy. Make who dey by local government. Make them not come knock for your door one day. Take am easy, eh? This your own don pass Joromi. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. Pick my people. If anything you want to think about this video, you can leave your comments for the comment section. Bye, everybody. Bye. And always put thumbs up for me when you are watching my video. Thank you. Bye. Share this video for me so that I make you reach the video. And because this you, it don't pass Joromi. Thank you. Bye.